Hello friends, in our mathematics class today, we are considering trigonometric ratio and we are asked to find x, y, z in the diagram given. Let's quickly run through it. You can see that we have two different right angle triangles joined together. How do I know? You can see a perpendicular sign here, there's another perpendicular sign here. So let's take it one after the other. So if I bring this out, I can have my x here, this is my y, this is 60 degrees, this place is 2. So from here I can connect. This is opposite of 60 degree and this is the adjacent. So opposite over adjacent will give me my tan. So tan 60 degrees is equal to, is the same thing as x over 2. Tan 60 degrees root 3 to be equals to x divided by 2. So x is therefore equals to 2 root 3. This place is 2 root 3. From there, I can get the value for my y. I can get my y as this is hypotenuse over opposite, hypotenuse, adjacent. Let me use adjacent. So I can say sine 60 degrees is the same thing as opposite, which is my this value, x over y, which is the same thing as 2 root 3 divided by y. Sine 60 itself is sine 60 degrees, the same thing as root 3 over 2. So that will now give me root 3 divided by 2 to be equals to 2 root 3 divided by y. If you cross multiply, you have y root 3 to be equals to 4 root 3. So y is the same thing as 4 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 will cut out, so y is now the same thing as what? As 4. So I have gotten my x, I've gotten my z, my y. I want to get my z. So from there I can say, let me come here and say, for z, it can be this place over this. This is opposite hypotenuse. So sine 45 degrees is the same thing as my x over z. Sine 45 is root 2 over 2 to be equals to, the value of my x is 2 root 3. 2 root 3 divided by value of my z is what I'm looking for. Is that correct? So if you cross multiply, it will now be z root 2 to be equals to 4 root 3. If you divide both sides by root 2, you now have z to be equals to 4 root 3 divided by root 2, which is the same thing as 4 root 3 over root 2 times root 2 divided by root 2, which is the same thing as 4 root 3, 4 root 6 root 2 times root 2. That will be 4 root 6 divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So my final answer will now be 2 root 6. So my z is the same thing as 2 root 6, my answer.